Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by IdiomsOnline. Pejorative. Pejorative. Pejorative means having negative connotations, something which tends to express contempt or disapproval, tending to disparage or belittle, or tending to suggest that something is not good. Derogatory, uncomplimentary. Examples of how to use pejorative in sentences. Although the primary definition of cult is a system of religion based on devotion to a certain figure, the term is most often used in a pejorative sense to refer to a relatively small group of people engaged in strange and perhaps sinister religious practices. When people say you are ideological, it's usually pejorative. We often think of the word myth as meaning untrue, but myth doesn't always have pejorative overtones. The word ambitious, when used regarding a woman, tends to be pejorative. It's a shame that to label someone a do-gooder is pejorative. People often use the pejorative term cliche to refer to idioms.